Welcome back. Today we are going to practice Uddiyana Bandha. So let's start it. Namaste. Make hands beside. Please make your legs apart, 1.5 feet gap. Then ready. Now inhale a deep breathe here. Exhale. Empty your lungs properly. Then make stomach in. Yes, then hold breathe outside. Okay, make your arms, your legs and back straight. Make stomach in and then up and hold it as much you can, as much possible for you. In the position control, once again come back, inhale, exhale, make your respiratory system normal. So now ready for round number 2. Then once again inhale, a deep breathe and exhale. Makes the lungs empty and stomach in, maximum finger toward in. Now make arms straight and try to make abdominal muscles in and then up maximum. Breathe should be hold outside, remember please. Yes, hold, or you can count mentally here. So then inhale and please stand again. Exhale down. Make your respiratory system normal. So round number 3 now. Once again, inhale a deep breathe. Deep breathe and then exhale. Make the lungs empty maximum. Okay, then stomach in. The last round maximum you need to try your best. Okay, here breathe hold outside, make stomach in and then slowly make stomach muscles, abdominal muscles up maximum. Then inhale, center, exhale. So my friends, we can practice like that Uddiyana Bandha, so level 1. So we can practice it, okay, here 3 to 5 rounds. Subscribe my channel. Namaste everyone.